Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Thursday, the 20th of December. The euro has weakened after recording higher highs across the board. The single currency benefited from an improved market sentiment following positive developments regarding the US fiscal cliff situation and the move by the S&P rating agency to lift Greece to an 18-month high of B-, citing a strong and clear commitment from the eurozone to keep the troubled nation in the single currency bloc. The euro recorded an 8-month high at 133.08 versus the US dollar late in the EU session yesterday. This is a near 3% appreciation since the beginning of December. The highlight of the week is the Japanese yen following Japan's elections for the weekend. The Japanese yen failed to weaken against the US dollar following the Bank of Japan decision to add another 10 trillion yen to the asset purchasing program. This was because the inflation target was left unchanged. However, this may change in the near future. The US 500, which tracks the SPI, retraced lower after producing a fresh 2-month high at 144.776. The JER 30, which tracks the DAX, followed suit after a new record high at 7673.80. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 132 with a preference to enter into long positions at 132.10. The dollar-yen pivot points at 83.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 83.90. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 105.40 with a preference to enter into short positions at 105.40. The sterling dollar pivot points at 162.25 with a preference to enter into long positions at 162.25. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 0.9845 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9845. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 87.55 with a preference to enter into long positions at 87.55. The gold pivot points at 1,700 with a preference to enter in short positions at 1,700. The silver pivot points at 32.70 with a preference to enter in short positions at 32.70. The US 500 is at 1,422 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1,422. And the UK 100 is at 5,915 with a preference to enter into long positions at 5,915. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In the UK, we have the retail sales month-on-month in November forecast to rise by 0.3%. In Canada, we have the retail sales month-on-month in November forecast to rise by 0.2%. In the US, we have the third quarter GDP forecast to expand by 2.8%, and also the existing home sales in units forecast to come out at 4.87 million. And our interesting pair of the day is the Euro-New Zealand dollar. The euro recorded a fresh 2-week high against the New Zealand dollar at 159.129 yesterday late in the EU session. This was a 160 pip move, a 1% appreciation. Since we mentioned the potential for excellent risk-reward trades yesterday, the pair has now retraced to 158 lows, where a support level is found, and it will be interesting to see whether it will challenge its new high. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.